Language, the journey of learning my language. My earliest memories are not of toys or faces, but of sounds, by the melodic rise and fall of my mother's voice, a lilting rhythm that wrapped around me like a comforting blanket. It was Ilocano language, vibrant and alive, a language woven into the very fabric of our home. I did not learn it, not in the way I later learned English. I absorbed it like a sponge. My first words were not carefully crafted sentences, but a bubble of sounds that somehow translated into requests of milk, cuddles, and more. There was no formal instruction, no flashcards or workbooks, just the constant gentle hum of conversation, the playful teasing of my siblings, the comforting lullabies sung by my grandmother. Language was not a subject, it was a living, breathing entity. A part of me was fundamental as my heartbeat. As I grew older, the world expanded. I encountered other languages, English at school, Spanish language and Mandarin when I was second year and third year in college. But Ilocano remained my anchor, the bedrock upon which all other languages were built. It was the language of my dreams, my memories, my deepest emotions. It was the language of home. Learning other languages felt different. It was a conscious effort, a structured process of memorization and practice. In English, I struggled with grammatical rules, a stark contrast to the effortless fluency of my native tongue. Yet, the foundation of Ilocano language gave me an advantage. I understood the underlying principles of language, the way words are combined to create meaning, the nuances of tone and inflection. Now that I learn other foreign languages, my native tongue is different, each with its own unique charm and complexity. Ilocano language will always hold a special place in my heart. It's not just a language, it is the soundtrack of my life, a constant reminder of the warmth, love, and security of my childhood home. It is a testament to the power of immersion, a living example of how language can be more than just words. It can be a part of who you are.